discussing the trading robot, specifically the Star robot on your phone. This innovative product is a Telegram bot that sends signals with chart screenshots, customized strategies, set specific ones, and it will execute trades with your approval. It's a Telegram bot, Start Trade Bot, which you can join and purchase a subscription from the Trading Robot website, offering monthly and yearly options. Set strategies. Trade with your consent. I explained activation and connection to CoinCatch. This video explains the robot and its workings. Join the Telegram bot Start Trade Bot and buy its subscription on the Trading Robot site. Monthly and yearly subscriptions are available with various algorithms. This video focuses on what this robot is and how it works. It's a Telegram bot, Start Trade Bot, joinable with subscriptions on the Trading Robot site. It offers monthly/yearly subscriptions and various algorithms. We have 4 algorithms, trading assistants monitoring the market. These are predefined algorithms. For example, when conditions like 1, 2, 3, or 4 occur, execute trades. 1 is the Tesla robot, shown in the screenshot. It is activated differently. Let's start with the algorithms. The 4 algorithms we mentioned mean that there are 4 trading assistants that are monitoring the market simultaneously, and we call these predefined algorithms. For example, it says that whenever conditions 1, 2, 3, or 4 occur in the market, you should go ahead and execute those trades. One of these algorithms is the Tesla robot, which you can see the screenshot of right now. One algorithm is Ikimoku. Another is the banking strategy robot. I'll find the signal for Team 45. We also have the Team 45 robot, identifying divergences. We have 4 trading assistants monitoring the market. These assistants on the trading robot site are Tesla, Ikimoku, banking strategy, and Team 45. They analyze around 30 top cryptocurrencies across specific time frames. We also have the Team 45 robot, which identifies divergences and uses trend lines. So, we have these 4 trading assistants that are monitoring the market. These 4 main trading assistants on the trading robot site are in blue: Tesla, Ikimoku, the banking strategy, and Team 45. They look at around 30 of the top cryptocurrencies in the market across specific time frames, like 2 hours or 1 hour. Whenever they find an opportunity, they send you a signal on Telegram, like the one you see now. Just a moment ago, a signal came in. Let's check it out together. The banking strategy just sent a signal 2 minutes ago. They are looking at almost 30 of the top currencies in the market. Whenever they find an opportunity, they'll send you a signal on Telegram. It looks something like this, just like the signal you see now. In fact, just a moment ago, a signal came in. Let's check it out together. The banking strategy just sent a signal 2 minutes ago. This is the banking strategy that sent me, he said. You should find an opportunity on Ethereum. He took a screenshot of it, even for us. He also gave another one on Tron. He said, you have a sell on Tron. Tesla came and gave a sell on Ripple. And DOT also gave a sell on Tesla. Or Tesla, that is, on DOT. As you can see, we have different signals across various cryptocurrencies. We even had a sell signal for Ethereum here, and from Tesla, we had a sell signal for Solana. We also had a sell signal for Phantom, and this was around 3 p.m., around 1,500 hours. It sends out around 30 signals a day, depending on the market conditions. If the market is more active, there could be more signals. If it's less active, there will be fewer. With its 4 algorithms, you can expect about half of that, roughly 30 signals a day. 4 algorithms predict 30 signals daily. Strategy. By Ethereum. Expect a signal on the 30th day. This will appear with 3 buttons, strategy 1, 2, and 3. What are these? They indicate your entry points. The robot and algorithm provide entry point, take profit, stop loss, leverage, and margin. Your strategy is, the robot suggests buying Ethereum. Where should your take profit be? 2%, 5%, or 10%? What about your stop loss? If the market turns, where do you set it? Specify if your account is $100 or $1,000, or what percentage of your capital to use. For example, enter with $5. Then it asks, with what leverage? You might say, leverage of 10. Where do you define these in the robots menu? In the strategy section, click on strategy 1, 2, or 3. A text will prompt you to write in this format. Your strategy specifies a 2% take profit. The first is the stop loss. For example, 2% for the stop loss. Now, a small stop loss, like 1%, and 2% for the take profit. Where do you define these in the robots menu? Click strategy 1, 2, or 3. A text pops up. To write in this format, specify your 2% take profit. First is the stop loss. For example, 2% stop loss. Take a small stop loss, 1%, and 2% take profit. Where is the leverage? For example, 10 and enter with $3. Put in $3. Then your strategy is set. Click any signal. It executes a trade with stop loss 1, take profit 2, leverage 10, and margin $3. Want to try? Give it a shot. Where can you find the names of the years and the faces? For leverage 10, enter with $3. It executes a trade with a stop loss of 1, take profit of 2, leverage 10, and margin $3. CoinEx exchange is set up with this robot. CoinCatch is faster, but CoinEx is connected. No trades open now. Make trades on Ethereum using strategy 1. Order placed in under 5 seconds. Trade executed with leverage 10. Entry is a market order. Take profit and stop loss are set. TPSL section shows 1% stop loss and 2% take profit for Ethereum position, all for a buy position. This is my CoinEx exchange. It works with both CoinCatch and CoinEx. CoinCatch is a bit faster, but since it's set up with the Galaxy, CoinEx is also connected. I don't have any trades open right now. Let's make a few trades on Ethereum. It's placing the order now. Under 5 seconds, it executed the trade with a leverage of 10. The take profit and stop loss are set. 39.75 and 38.58 are the 1% stop loss and 2% take profit. This is for a buy position. Let's do another on Tron using strategy 1. You don't need to do anything. It works on its own. Let's see if it can place a trade on Tron. One cool thing is when a signal comes in, for example, this channel for old signals. It executed the trade in under 5 seconds. It placed the trade with 10x leverage, entered quickly via market order, take profit and stop loss set. In TPSL, 39.75 and 38.58 are 1% stop loss and 2% take profit for Ethereum. This is for a buy position. Let's do another on Tron. Use strategy 1 again. No need to intervene. It works automatically. I'll show you how it works. Let's see if it can trade on Tron with take profit, stop loss, and leverage. When a signal comes in, like this channel for old signals, let's go ahead and place another trade on Tron. I'm saying to use strategy 1. Again, you don't need to come in and do anything. It works on its own. I want to show you how it works. Let's see if it can place a trade on Tron for me, exactly with the take profit, stop loss, and leverage setup. One of the cool things about this is that when a signal comes in, for example, this channel for the old signals, technology is very powerful. Now you go and take my BP. Go and fill your head. You log in, enter the 2-step code, find your asset, then go into Telegram to check what the entry point was. After that, you calculate the take profit and make sure to write it down correctly. Here you just click once and it will execute it for you. Now the VPN was down, but I don't have that issue. Even if you use Telegram with a proxy, it comes to our server and goes to the exchange from there. Our server always has a fixed IP, so you won't have any issues. You won't have to keep changing servers. It always stays the same for you, and it doesn't change anything. And you won't have to keep switching servers. Now, these two exchanges we're using, CoinCatch and CoinEx, are really great. They say to trade with strategy 2. Oh, I'm offering to serve 2 people. For example, they say trade with strategy 3, but they don't. Strategy 2, why is it giving me this? It executed the trade for Ethereum. For example, they say to trade it with strategy 1. They also say to trade Solana with strategy 1. Now, let's check CoinEx. It should have executed about 5 or 6 trades for me, all according to the strategy 1 set up myself. I mean, everything I specified, it executed for me. You see, it traded Solana, it traded DOT. Whatever you tell it, it will execute. If we have Phantom here, let's go ahead and place a trade on Phantom 2. Be cautious. Don't open a position against your existing one. For example, if you have a long position on Tron and open a short one, it could close your existing position. Pay attention to these things. Phantom opened a trade for me. You can set up 3 strategies. One could have a larger take profit and smaller stop loss with low leverage. Another could be for Tesla with larger take profits and small stop loss. If you're a beginner and don't know how to trade, here's a simple tip. In the menu, go to the strategy or report section. You'll see 3 sections: performance, signal details, and top strategies. Click on signal details to get an Excel file with all your traded signals, including signal number, time, symbol, direction, price, and execution time. Okay, man, I don't know how to trade. I'm a beginner. What should I do? Where do I get a strategy from? What I want to tell you is super simple and probably the easiest thing you'll see. In this menu, if you click to go back to the strategy menu or the reports section, what do you see? We have three sections: your performance, your signal details, and top strategies. Click on signal details to create an Excel file, listing traded signals with details. It includes strategy, entry price, take profit, stop loss, volume, margin, leverage, and status. There's a section for top strategies, showing performance over the past day and 7 days among users. It shows you what strategy was used, the entry price, the take profit, the stop loss, the order volume, the margin, the leverage, and the current status. It tells you if you're still in a loss, or if you've made a profit, whether you traded or not. All of this information is available for you. If you click on it, there's a section for the top strategies from the previous day. In the past 7 days, among all the users we have, like these 1,000 or so users using this robot, everyone has their own strategy, and their win rates are different. The results they give vary. One person might be making profits with this robot while another might be losing because they set their own strategy. For example, I set my entry point here and said to buy at this entry point. One person sets their take profit here. Its stop loss comes down here, and it sets the stop loss. Then it goes up to the profit limit for this loss. Will this user lose money? Another setup places the take profit higher, reaching it and profiting from a similar signal. You set the strategy, making it unique. It's like building a robot. This tool offers speed and accuracy in trades, identifying optimal entry points. Wondering, what strategy should I use? We gathered user data. The robot collects info and highlights top strategies. It compiles this into an Excel file automatically, showing the banking strategy for Team 45. For example, with the take profit and stop loss at 10, capital management differs, but the take profit is at 30. What strategy to use? We gathered user data. The robot shows top strategies others use, compiling into an Excel file automatically. All is automated. Provides an Excel file showing Team 45's banking strategy. Clicking reveals strategies for Team 45. Here, it provides an Excel file for Team 45's robot banking strategy. Clicking it shows details for Team 45, Tesla, and Ikimoku. It highlights the top strategy over the past week, showing profitable and loss trades, with a take profit and stop loss at 10. The capital management differs, but the take profit is 30. It executed 15 trades, 14 successful, 1 still open. Assess the risk. You can use these strategies, but don't judge based on 1 or 2 trades. These strategies have a win rate of 100%. We have a win rate of 94%. And we also have a win rate of 31%. You need to see if the risk is worth it for you or not. This is the top strategy over the past 7 days. For Team 45, Tesla, and Ikimoku. You can take all of these and use them yourself. But just make sure not to judge a strategy based on just 1 or 2 trades. A strategy might have 10 trades, 8 of which are profitable, but it could have 2 losses at the beginning. So, if you change the strategy after those first 2 losses, you might end up cutting your profits short. That's why you need to choose carefully. I've made some videos where I taught you about this. They're on the Star page and the Galaxy page. Here, you can learn how to enter strategies with proper risk management. This video is 13 minutes long. I talked about what the risk-to-reward ratio is, what the win rate is, and how to align these factors correctly to make it work. That's it for this part. This video is 13 minutes long. Risk-reward ratio, align factors, menu options, open positions avoid, logging in, VPN, flags, 5 or 6 open positions, clicking, shows all. Returning to the main menu and clicking on open positions gives you a tool to avoid logging into the exchange, using a VPN, and risking flags. Currently, I have 5 or 6 open positions. Clicking shows all positions. It retrieves real-time data. What else? Click to check your account balance. I have 7 or 8 test accounts for different scenarios to ensure the system works. This is one account I brought for this video. It shows $4 free, 10 trading. Currently, $15 total in this account. It goes from spending real time to taking it in an instant. What else can I do? You can click on your account balance, and it will show you your balance. I have 7 or 8 test accounts that I set up in different scenarios to make sure the system is always working correctly. This is one of the accounts I brought for this video, and I'm showing you. It says, I have $4 free, and 10 are currently trading, so right now, I have a total of $15 in this account. When you click on the subscription status, it tells you how many days are left on your subscription. I have 222 days left. It also shows whether you have a reserved subscription or not. If you click on the training for using the robot, it takes you to the product page, meaning it gives you the link to the product page. I recorded the entire video myself, teaching you how to connect to the exchange. It's really easy. You wouldn't believe how simple it is. Let me put this here so you can see it again. To show you, our site opens faster when you don't use a VPN in Iran. Here, I discuss connecting to CoinX in a simple 15 to 17-minute tutorial for subscribers with the robot. Switch to our referral code on the exchange for a 7-day free subscription and competition access. Competitions are for our referrals only, rewarding the most profitable with prizes. Plus, enjoy a 10% commission fee discount throughout the year, making it cheaper to join. We do about 30 trades daily, totaling 900, which earns us a commission discount. That's about it. Oh, and in the settings section, join our competitions with our referral code. We host exclusive contests, rewarding the top user. Enjoy yearly discounts with 30 trades daily. Totaling 900, we get commission discounts. Enable notifications and settings to get alerts on others' profits. The strategy 1 explained can be set up and edited freely. The commission fee drops by 10% when you join due to our high trade volume, about 900 trades monthly, earning us a discount. In the settings, enable notifications to receive alerts when others profit, showing partial user numbers. You can toggle this feature. This strategy 1 explained can be set up and edited freely. Edit for future trials to maximize profits. Notifications light up green when active. You'll be alerted to others' profits with partial user numbers. Toggle as desired. The strategy is editable anytime. Remember to adjust for future trials to catch profits. Algorithms indicate activity with green lights. Disable unwanted strategies to stop notifications. You can pause trading by turning off forced strategies, halting signals. Manage everything via the API. Edit strategy to catch profits. Green light algorithms notify you. Turn the algorithms. I told you, if there's a green light next to it, it means it sends all of this to you. If you turn it off, like the banking strategies, it won't send you anything. It's that easy and clean. You can even take a week off from trading if you turn off those 4 strategies. You won't get any signals. You can also manage it from the API. It keeps telling me not to click. Why can't it be done anymore? That's all I wanted to say about this topic. Check out the tutorial videos. This robot is really advanced, and there's nothing like it, either locally nor internationally. You're gonna enjoy using it. Thanks for your time. I'm Arslan, and this is the Trading Robot. I really appreciate you, and take care.